अब स्किन में आगे का पढ़ते हैं, डर्मेटाइटिस सेबोरिका डेफिनेशन। एंड erythematous form of seborrhea of a catarrhal nature, usually situated in the scalp. Symptoms: the disease usually begins in the scalp and in the region of the vertex, and generally extending to the ears, face, and sometimes other part of the body. It follows sometimes a slow and at other times a rapid course, and when well established remains stationary for months or years. The lesions may be discrete or closely put together. The squammy is abundant white or yellowish brown in color, elevated slightly in patches and covered more or less with greasy scales. When the scales are removed, it presents a raw surface and sometimes a slight oozing takes place. Itching of mild nature exists, especially when the patient becomes heated. Sometimes the scales, owing to the fatty matter, present a granular appearance. The hair is dry, lustreless, and dirty looking. A form of this disease sometimes affects the eyelids, showing slight scaling and crusting. Their borders become red and swollen. The disease may exist alone or with some other disease. Etiology: the disease occurs between the age of 10 and 30 years and in both sexes alike. It is also worse in cold weather. तो इसका डायग्नोसिस आप देख लीजिए। ट्रीटमेंट पे है कंसल्ट रेमेडीज अंडर एक्जिमा एंड सोरियासिस। तो ये एक तरह का स्किन में एक्जिमा का ही पार्ट है, मतलब सिमिलर टाइप का है डर्मेटाइटिस की कंडीशन, तो इसलिए आपको बोला है एक्जिमा और सोरियासिस के ट्रीटमेंट प्लान फॉलो करने का। उसमें जो रेमेडीज़ हैं वो आप देख सकते हो, रेफरेंस ले सकते हो उनसे। बाकी तो आपको मेडिसिन तो टोटलिटी के हिसाब से ही देनी है। नेक्स्ट है pityriasis maculata et circinata. Symptomatology: this form of pityriasis is an erythematous disease consisting of rose-colored macules of different sizes, round or oval, usually slightly elevated above the skin and covered with greasy scales. There are no premonitory symptoms to speak of. The first notice of the disease is generally the appearance of the eruption. The spots are from the size of a 10-cent piece to that of a silver dollar, confined closely to the trunk. The macules gradually increase in size and number. The eruption is dry throughout and lasts from 6 to 8 weeks, gradually fading out in the order they come. Pathology: mild hyperemia of the papillary layer of the derma with slight exudation and scaling. Etiology: nothing is known. Herpes definition: तो इसकी थेराप्यूटिक्स के लिए आप जो पिट्रियासिस में दिए हैं वो थेराप्यूटिक्स आप लीजिएगा। हर्पीस फ्रॉम द ग्रीक मीनिंग टू क्रीप, इट इज़ एन एक्यूट नॉन कंटेजियस इन्फ्लामेटरी डिजीज कैरेक्टराइज्ड बाय ग्रुप और क्लस्टर्स ऑफ वेसिकल्स ऑन अ रेडेंट बेस. 4 forms may be mentioned: herpes simplex, herpes facialis, fibrillaris, herpes progenitalis, herpes zoster. Herpes simplex is characterized by one or more groups of vesicles on a radiant base and running a typical course, distinguished from the facialis only by its location. अब facialis पढ़ते हैं. Hydrova और herpes fibrillaris commonly known as cold sore or fever blisters. Symptoms: appear upon any part of the face, the lips being the more favored point of attack. The vesicles are small, few in number, usually in groups, but they may be isolated. Sometimes they involve the mucous membrane of the nose, mouth and tongue. They may follow a cold, fever, menstrual irregularity, malarial condition, rheumatism or acute febrile state. They consist of small transparent vesicles filled with clear serum and situated on the radiant base. Pathology: it is supposed to be a neurotic disturbance, probably reflects in its nature. Diagnosis: history of the case: that transparent vesicles, their location and their short duration with no tendency to crust. Prognosis is good. Treatment based upon the constitutional symptoms. Remedies ये दिए हैं: Equinet, Bale, Ars, Briar, Strox, Natrum Mur, Hepamark, Natrum Carb, Sepia, Pulse, Sulfur. Herpes progenitalis. Symptomatology: it consists in an eruption of grouped vesicles above the genital organs. In men, the most common seat is on the glans and prepucial surface. In women, it invades most frequently the labia, clitoris, vestibule, perineum, and external genital surface. The first symptoms are slight burning or itching, followed by an eruption of pinhead side vesicle closely grouped together or an inflamed base, slight edema and swelling. Later on, the vesicle rupture, leaving circumscribed grayish white gross spots. If probably cared for, they disappear in a few stages, leaving no scar. Sometimes they ulcerate and may be taken for a chance. ये डायग्नोसिस आप देख लीजिए खुद से ही. नेक्स्ट आते हैं herpes zoster पर. डेफिनेशन: मीनिंग अ बेल्ट, an acute typical inflammatory disease of the skin appearing in the course of certain cutaneous nerve, accompanied by severe neuralgic pain and by the presence of groups of firm tense vesicles rising from an edematous base. Symptoms: the disease may be ushered in by general malaise and febrile symptoms, but frequently it begins with stitching pains in the region of the affected part. Pains is generally sharp but may be dull and heavy. The favorite location of the disease is about the sides or chest. The pains are of a neuralgic character, appearing often days before the appearance of the eruption and usually aggravated by respiration. The eruption begins in reddened or bluish red patches which are very tender and sensitive to touch. Red papules form on its surface which change into vesicles filled with a transparent or straw-colored serum. They have very little tendency to rupture. Later on, the contents may become purulent. The eruption may occur on any part of the body, but by preference it attacks the thoracic, intercostal and abdominal region. The disease may run a mild or severe course lasting from 1 to 3 weeks. Relapse is not infrequent. Hemorrhagic and gangrenous forms sometimes occur, but they are very rare. The disease is apt to be of a more severe nature if it attacks the left side than the right, especially in the region of the stomach or the heart. Pathology: Berenspruch demonstrated that the disease was one of the ganglionic symptom. This has been confirmed by others. Cases of that the nerves between the brain and the ganglion are surrounded by extravasated blood. The interstitial tissue of the Gasserian ganglion infiltrated with inflammatory products. The intercostal nerves reddened and thickened. Etiology आप खुद से देख लीजिए. उसके बाद आते हैं प्रोग्नोसिस. प्रोग्नोसिस यूजुअली क्वाइट फेवरेबल. रिलैप्सेस हाउएवर में प्रोलॉन्ग द केस. ट्रीटमेंट में मेडिसिन दी गई है. इंडिकेशन: आर्सेनिकम, confluent herpetic eruption with intense burning of the blister, herpes with fine scales over them, burning worse at night, thirst and the common symptoms of arsenic. Arsine hydro: dark brown, shallow or bronze colored skin, herpes filled with dark red blood. Bovista: moist or dry herpes, itching on getting warm and continued after scratching. Red scabby eruption in the bends of the knees, appearing in hot weather and with the full moon. Calcarea का pale dry flabby skin, bloated appearance of the skin, burning herpes, itching herpes between the fingers, herpes on disappearing, leave a raw spots, herpes in scrofulous children with enlarged glands. नेक्स्ट है कैंथारिस से आप देख लीजिए खुद से. कैंथारिस, सिक्यूटा, क्लेमेटिस और है क्रोटनटिंग. ये चारों आप देख लीजिए खुद से. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है डलकामारा और ग्रेफाइटिस. और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट है हेपर लेकेसिस और नेट्रम्यूर. उसके बाद आयरिस, पेट्रोलियम और फिर आती है रस्टॉक्स और एपिस. नेक्स्ट है टॉपिक मिलेरिया रूब्रा prickly heat lichen tropicus. Definition: an acute Erythematous pruritus occurring in the heat of summer due to an obstruction of sweat glands ducts in the lower corneal layer. Symptomatology, it appears suddenly without any premonitory symptoms following a hearty meal, overheating, overexertion, etc. The eruption is characterized by the appearance of a great number of acuminated minute mustard seed sized papules situated upon a red dense base and accompanied with more or less itching, stinging and burning in the skin. The papules are situated around the orifices of the sudoriparous ducts and are slightly elevated above the skin. They appear more frequently upon the scalp, neck, chest, back and arms. There is usually a marked increased perspiration. Sometimes the eruption is complicated by minute vesicles. It usually runs its course in a few days, terminating by absorption and desquamation. और इसका डायग्नोसिस आप देख लीजिएगा जल्दी से और आगे बढ़ते हैं। अब डायग्नोसिस के बाद आती है इसकी पैथोलॉजी, ये देख लीजिए, और फिर इटियोलॉजी और ट्रीटमेंट। ट्रीटमेंट में दिया है प्रॉपर क्लोथिंग एंड फ्रिक्वेंट बैथिंग विद मॉडरेटली कोल्ड और टेपिड वाटर together with the regulation of the diet, rest and the remedy indicated in pruritus. For remedy C pruritus, तो इसमें भी सेम pruritus की मेडिसिन आएंगी। इसके बाद एक और आज हम देखेंगे फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। तो लास्ट जो है आज का टॉपिक मिलियम। सिनोनिम से इसका एक्ने मिलियारिया। डेफिनेशन, मिलियम इज अ स्मॉल पर्ली वाइट पिन हेड साइज फॉर्मेशन beneath the epidermis. Symptoms, they appear on the face, neck, upper eyelid, cheek and temples more frequently, although they may occur on any part of the body. They vary in size from a pinhead to a pea, may or may not be elevated. They are hard and firm to touch, whitish or yellowish in color and appear stingly or multiple develop slowly and after reaching a certain size remain for years. They occur more frequently in women than in men, appearing frequently after adult age. Diagnosis, distinguished by their anatomical formation as a very small sebaceous tumor covered with epidermis. Pathology, retention of the sebaceous secretion with probable calcification. Etiology है, the origin of the disease is unknown. I have however found them only in the tubercular or latent syphilitic patient.